There you go. You guys should be able to hear me now. On everything. Let's get this going. Okay. Let's get this plugged in. Yeah, I did, or I was trying to, but I had some technical difficulties. I had to take the PC into the um to Micro Center. All right, I think we're good to go. Yeah, they said it's supposed to be a big snowstorm, but honestly, um it's not too serious, I don't think. How did you guys end up doing in New York? That trade this morning got me irritated. we ended up stopping out for 2.5 points, and then let's see what we did on the day. So we got stopped out at 7.5. Our stops are at 80. I don't think, let's see the low, 108. Yeah, we just continued to rep all throughout the day, going into close. That was, I mean, it was a good trade. That's all I can say, you know. We managed the risk. Let me check something. There. Should be able to hear me now. There. There do we go. Yeah, that trade this morning was a little upsetting, but it's okay. I gotta call Micro Center, guys. Where's the number? Why do they not have a service number? I think we're gonna be focusing on gold today. I don't really like trading NQ when we're at all-time highs during Asia. Damn. So on that computer, the motherboard, GPU, and RAM all need to be replaced. Um, 300. It's not that bad, I think. Let me make a phone call real quick, guys. Yep. Is check something. All right.
Did you have to pay it?
No. I don't know what that was. Oh man, guys. Such a long day. Let me catch up on your guys' comments on what you guys are telling me. Join late. No, I haven't taken anything yet. DOD left town with Jalen. What are you talking about? Oh, with because of you. I haven't taken any trades yet tonight. I barely just got on. No, I've never heard of that. Did you, Mr. Smith? Did you have a full allocation on those payouts? Gold, MGC. Looks like we are wanting to get this move on gold. Ideally, I'd like to see a pullback into 4, 5, 7, 8 on gold. Done.
What?
Oh shit. Read from right there down. So I do like the idea of longs on gold. My only thing is I'd like to see us close above this zone here in the next 15 minutes. At least semi above 94 I'd have to see for longs. Just because we do have a lot of sellers in this area of supply where we've rejected previously. We did break the structure somewhat, but we didn't hold it on the hour. The 15-minute, as soon as we pushed above it, we had a sell off back down. So that's what I'm waiting for, and I want to see.
That's crazy.
My morning was okay. I ended up taking that loss of 180. I didn't end up taking any more trades. I've been super busy with everything. I had to take that PC to the. I had to take the PC to Micro Center. so didn't really give me left much. And then I ended up going home. That's about it. Huh? What did you say? We got stopped out for 2.5 points, and then it proceeded to hit our price target of 40 points. So it was a little annoying, but it's okay. What the heck? Who's that? Time frames we got here. Let's go 5 and 5. Okay. There goes those lungs on gold. It's Tokyo session and it opens in 10 minutes. That's when we see the most influx of volume, guys. Oh, we're really starting to push. Let's see. Look at NQ. Still kind of just pushing. It's kind of hard to dictate where we want to go. We've literally had only one red 15 minutes so far. I semi-watch UFC. Yeah, I'm watching Gold and watching NQ. Yep, I'm a substitute teacher. Yeah, Jaden left on vacation. He will be back next Thursday, guys. So I'm filling in. Been trading for around 4 years, 4+ years. And I do make money from this. Did it hit it?
One hit. 07.
Oh, the field.
07.
Oh, the field. Oh, the field.
No, that trail is not too tight either. Oh, that was going into that zone.
Let's see. I do want to check out this 4 hour on gold. Okay. This could be worth watching on the 4 hour. Let's see. This kind of doesn't overlap. I want to see how we react to this 4610 area. Brandon was telling me he wanted to watch UFC this weekend. What is up? Alright, dude, I just want to say, you're $582 away. What are we going to do? What's the plan? What's the course of action? It really depends on what I'm trading. Gold and NQ are different, and it also depends. It really just depends on the setup. Minimum 3 to like 12, 15. Really just depends. No, I don't really trade the same strategy as Jadon. I don't like use the 2-bar, but we trade very similar when it comes to price action. What the heck? I don't know why it stopped.
I'll go see your friend.
Huh?
I'll go see your friend.
Okay, let's see. We're still just pumping on gold. The thing I do like about gold, guys, it's super directional. If you can catch a trend on it, it moves pretty nice. Let me see something. in 352. Waiting for the transfer to go. Waiting for the transfer to go into my TradeAvent account. I just recently funded it again. I haven't traded live really too much this year. I think I traded a couple $100 at the beginning of the year, but this time I put in a couple thousand just to see what I can do with it. Do you guys miss Jadon? I know, he's the life of the party. He indeed is the life of the party. It does that.
Almost 6 o'clock.
15 seconds until Tokyo. Transfer hasn't fully went in through yet. We're at 6 p.m. now, guys. Good. Hmm. Shoot. What's up, Brandon? I haven't seen you in here in a while. I haven't even seen you in a while. My key to passing evals, honestly, is just, I say, good setups. They don't have to be that fire. And honestly, I trade them a little bit heavier. She said, yes, we can if I take half. I said. Nope, I haven't taken anything. I will let you know when I do. Odds are both gone at the same time. What do you mean? I think I go to long contracts for evals. That's why my big problem trading them like it's funded. Yeah, that could be the problem. But at the end of the day, you gotta realize what falls into your risk parameters and how much are you willing to spend on evals too. That plays a big part. Yeah, no problem. We'll have to search Gene and Grizzly to see who's live. I don't. Grizzly doesn't go live for Asia session. This morning I had issues with the I had issues with the YouTube and their overall computer setup, so I wasn't on this morning. What do I have? What do I do if I have 2 positive days for Top Set funded, but I am 600 away from max showdown? Honestly, just trade it light and try and recover unless you are good with starting a lower. Yeah, I usually typically wait. I'm liking gold a lot more than NQ right now, just because on NQ we are at all-time highs. I'm on the 5-minute on both of my charts. The market's been a little bit tougher lately. My biggest thing is, like this morning we took a loss, but I stuck to my plan and I didn't oversize. And looking back on what we did this morning, I didn't really see any other opportunity for any more trades. That's crazy that they're both done at the same time. What I consider light is micros, anywhere from like round 5. We took an 18-point loss this morning. We got stopped out by 2 points, and then it ripped. Thank you clears is 45. Honestly, I think we could push down unless we just want to come test these EMAs.
I think I need to lose some. Yeah. It'll only be $60.
Huh?
I only have to lose $60.
You want me to do it?
No, I can do it, but it would be $60 just to keep the balance.
What is it at?
16, 59.
No, you'd need like.
My balance is 53.61. So it wouldn't leave me on balance.
Let me see. Yeah, you wouldn't then today. I just try and get it down just to flat.
As much as
Yeah. No, I'll be in stages tomorrow. I will be in stages. Wow, pretty big drop in the market overall. Man, what a drop. Nope, no trades yet. Central C. What an intense bounce on NQ. We might get a potential long on NQ. I'm going to see if we can wick and close back above these EMAs in this VWAP. If we do get in longs, I'll aim to get in around 40-ish. I don't really like that risk to reward though. I mean, the risk to reward's okay. If I got in around 40, took it up to 100, that's 60 points. It'd still be a lot of risk. So I do like the way that candle closed. I'm going to see how we react down at like this 300. If we can get back down there, maybe 320s for a potential long in NQ. I'm just following the overall trend. The risk right now is higher to the upside than it is to the downside than it is to the upside. If I did get an entry around 20s to 30s, my stop would be below this low, and my take profit would be at the high of day. So I mean, it's fairly good risk to reward. Again, I'm gonna watch it, and I'll let you guys know if I get in anything. It's today the 5th. Just wait. Done. Wait for the system to give it like 30 to 45 minutes.
Oh, no, I know.
See how we react down here. Not really liking the way that this 15 minutes forming up. We need to get buyers to step in if we are gonna push back up. Yeah, white. See what gold's doing. We hit my. We somewhat missed my fib by like 1 point. Yeah, the broker I like to use for own personal funds would be Tradevate. Stages is a Discord. It's in Discord. It is. I agree with you, Jamie Kelly. My biggest advice when you're trading at all-time high is to size down. Size down, size down. Okay, yep, that completely invalidated my setup. I'm not taking anything. If we would have closed that 5-minute on a more solid with no wick 5-minute, like, for example, if we would have had a close down here at like 311 on this last 5, or on the, what time would that be? 8:05 Eastern, candle, 5-minute candle. If we would have had a close, a full body close, and then a pull back up into like 340s, I would have liked that for short, but not really right now, just because of the way, or I didn't like it because of that wick. As of right now, we seem like we just want to continue dropping. I'm going to be patient on taking anything on NQ. As far as gold, so we have the low session is here, high of session. I mean, a pullback to like 582 wouldn't be terrible, but it is really far away. So that's just something we'd have to be aware of.
Especially with the standard or consistency consequence. First time, I mean.
Yeah,
I lose.
that always messes you up.
The consistency. Yeah. I can usually get full.
Then just send it.
Yeah.
No, you just send it. It's like, why did it update?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it could. We do have this gap down here to the downside.
Damn. I should have told you. Reject that. 608, 610. Overnight dojo. Trying to time to fucking get this candle.
Oh, the field. Oh, the field. Way to go, White.
Not taking anything.
Hmm?
Can I take anything?
Are you talking about the dude who I was sitting next to? I barely just realized that. Is that who you're talking about? Look at this hour. Drops so fast on NQ. Just for your information, that is not Central C. That's me and Jaden's good friend. He's a fighter. Yeah, Darian. my friend knows who he is. I'm about to text him and tell him that. Damn, I can't remember his number. I'm text him on Instagram. I just texted him and told him that. We'll see what he says. I forgot my spicy snack, guys. So, my strategy is based on levels. I guess you could say levels. I guess no. So, my strategy, I would say, is relies heavily on retracements. If you don't know what a retracement is, the way that the market moves is typically it'll go higher, but it's not going to just go straight up. It'll go up, make a retracement, push back up. So they're essentially pullbacks. That's more or less on how I trade. I use things in this though that help me with the pullbacks, such as price action and volumes to a sense, as well as levels and fibs. I want to see how we react on this gold. One thing I don't like is we came up and somewhat was close to that fib, pushed back down on it, and we had a big rally back up on pretty substantial volume. See how we react here. We are above 4,600. As far as this NQ, like higher time frame. I want to see how we react around this like 28,250 area. If we can get down there, I would really like to see us get a full swipe of these. Maybe close down here at like 240. Get a pullback into like 300, which I don't think is out of the ordinary for how much we've been moving. I mean, we just dropped from 372. We dropped almost 100 points in like 30 minutes or so. So I think it could definitely be on the table. What's up, Bob Ross? What? What was that? Was that funny? Yeah. You're not too late to the party. We haven't taken anything yet. No, we're not in anything yet. We're just hanging out. We're waiting for some confirmation. Just being patient. Mm-hmm. 8:26 Eastern. No. I was just looking through my email. It says the clearing date is the 7th at 7 a.m. 6 a.m. Central. It said I'll receive a email when it's cleared. I know it said that it was a 1-day clearance. I guess that's not true. Man, NQ is falling, guys. Almost, what is that? Like 160 points from the top, just about, give or take. I really just use retracements. For live accounts, I always recommend Tradeovate. If you're out of the United States, honestly, I wouldn't know what to recommend. Trading, I'm looking at NQ and gold futures. Well, we're at that 250 area. See how we react on NQ. If we get a little bit of a drop in gold, I think we're going to get a push up in NQ back to retest. Got 1 minute left, though. I'm not really liking the closing of this area. Okay, we just opened that next candle. I like to see a pullback into like 390 or 290 for shorts on NQ based on what the chart is showing me here. Not 100% on anything just yet. I'm just giving you guys my thought process of potential trades. I am on the Jen and Trades channel. I have to wake up very early tomorrow to make it to the office to trade for you guys. See if we get this pullback on NQ. Oh yeah, I was supposed to. Sorry. We had some issues with the PC today, so I had to take it into Micro Center. There goes that gold. Touching that supply zone. You like having 3 screens over there? Oh. I said around like 290 to 300. I'm gonna watch. That's all I really see today. This is 5-minute looking. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Let me check it. Perdón, compa. What? Yeah. What is this notification I just got? Samsung just closed today above 1 trillion in market cap. That's insane. We need to get this push up for retracement. Who you got your nice. I like 290 for the pullback because it is it's where my EMA on the 5-minute is. I have this fib here, the session fib. It's just a level. We have our 50% of this drop. It's really just retracements and fibs. A lot of times what you'll see during Asia session or even in other sessions as well is we'll put back to not only fibs but the EMAs and typically trend in a certain direction. see. Yeah, my fibs are on they're on my stages chart. I only draw on my charts for Discord. Nope. No trades yet. We are just waiting. The 15-minute did print on NQ today. 15-minute close, push back, pull back, get in around like 74. 274 for longs. That would have been insane. That was a really good trade if you guys recalled it. I was still at the gym at the time. Almost to that 300 area. Nice. Good work, guys. So how I dictate reversals from pullbacks is volume and strength and trend as well. It's not solely off volume. I mean, I'd say it's volume as just well as chart structure. As time comes, guys, you guys will start to notice that, and that's something that you guys should be backtesting on to get experience, right? There's tons of great platforms you could be using to backtest these types of things to get experience. It doesn't have to be you sitting in front of the charts every day. I mean, that's where a majority of it should come from, but you guys also could be backtesting so you can experience it. It's all about experience. Touch the 5-minute EMA. Jadon will be back next Thursday or next Friday, I believe, because he gets back on next Thursday, but he won't be trading the morning sessions, I believe. So I'll be filling in for him. You guys will have me for the next week. Feel free to ask me any questions. Yeah, honestly, too, for backtesting, my favorite platform would be TradeZella. They're great. Very user friendly. go to Target. I don't know.
What's that Target?
I don't know. I love Target. Huh?
Why do you love Target?
You're tricking me.
Hmm?
You're tricking me.
Why?
Cause I don't know. I look here. I need a new Goodfellow shirt. I have a nice one, but I did something stupid the other day. I washed my Brooks in with that shirt, and it's like a beige,
Okay.
and my shoes are full of wool and stuff like that, and just dirt.
Oh, I lost two.
I don't think we're gonna. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get that pull back up to 300. Oh man, guys, being patient and not pulling the gun messes you up, but it works in the long term. Yesterday or earlier today for New York, I was not patient enough, and then now today I was too patient, and I'm probably gonna miss this move down. Got me for about like 10 more minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna get off. I have to go feed the dogs at the house. I would have already been at the house, but we had those problems this morning. Did you check the news this week?
For what? Yeah, there's something. There's a lot going on with it.
You think we're waiting for that?
Probably.
Let's see. Oh yeah, we have job openings tomorrow. U.S. trade balance. So everybody, we gotta watch out for 10 tomorrow. We're gonna have a good amount of data dropping. Wednesday, a couple Fed speakers. Thursday, initial jobless claims. Some at 10. Friday, unemployment reports and wholesale inventories. We have a good amount of data. Hopefully we get some market movement, guys. Wow. Watch it go without us. It's gonna go without us. Trump pump. Based on the request. So 1 minute ago. That was 1 hour ago. Just 5 minutes looking like. Did it mess up again? Let me check. There. And cool. I hate you. Let's go. Let's see. Hold on, let me fix it for you real quick. There. Looks better. Well, it came down and we bounced off that 250 again. Not really seeing too much. I like it somewhat. Only thing I don't like is how we held that 250 so strong, and how we're gonna close this this candle more bullish. We made a full recovery of that previous drop. We could just consolidate here until we break down further. It's definitely on the table. And then nothing. You're good, Lencho. That's a funny question, Francisco. Not really seen anything, guys. I've been liking Asia session these last couple days. Last week either. I don't think I called. I think I called like one trade out last week. You know what the issue is? It's being at all-time highs. I love NQ, but it's just so hard to trade at all-time highs. We just keep making them every day, and it literally doesn't make any sense. Oh my, jeez! Look at this gold.
It's still going up.
It's at 420, 4629. That's crazy. Gold ripped. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna hop off. I got some things I got to tend to. As always, I appreciate you guys showing up for the stream. I will see you guys in the morning at 7:30 Mountain Time, so 9:30 Eastern for market open. Peace.